NRK, the public broadcaster in Norway, wanted to move their coverage of the religious services from only being on radio to also being televised. It needed to be done in a more cost-efficient way than traditional multi-camera production. And they in particular didn't want to move big production trucks across Norway on a weekly basis. Religious services is an ideal use case for remote production. The content of the productions are quite similar from time to time, meaning that we don't have to switch out the equipment from each production. It's also fixed locations. So we have fixed installations at 6 churches in Norway, and we do not have to move any equipment to those locations for each and every production. Across 6 churches in Norway, we've installed remote controllable cameras as well as microphones. All the microphones are ran into a remote controllable preamp, and all the signals, video and audio, are then sent into the video X-Link system and with low latency transmitted back to NRK's remote control rooms. There's typically only one person involved in the church during these productions from the technical side. He typically shows up on the Friday where he puts out cameras, talks to the church about the content, and puts out microphones accordingly. This person is the communication link between the church and the remote director during the whole production, and ensuring good communication flow between the two for the whole show. All the signals, both audio and video, are transmitted from our production racks in each of the churches to NRK's remote control room. In the remote control room, there's 3 people. A remote camera operator/director, which is cutting between the cameras and also actually controlling the cameras in the church. There's an audio engineer that's mixing all the microphones together both for radio and for television, and a technical supervisor that ensuring the quality and the operation of the local engineering. At connected venues, we ensure the quality of the production by monitoring all the signals as well as doing CCU. This has shown that remote production with fixed installed equipment is both quick to get to production, cost efficient, and sustainable.